friends, welcome to day 8 of our vocabulary series, wherein we bring you 3 new words daily and discuss their meaning, part of speech, and learn how to use them in a sentence. So, are you ready to learn 3 new words today? Okay, then, let's begin. So, our first word is procrastination. 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 Friends, procrastination is a noun and it means the act of delaying something that you should do, usually because you do not want to do it. Let us see what are its synonyms. Delay, dawdle, delay, lag, loiter. Now, let us see how to use the word procrastination in sentences. After weeks of procrastination, the president finally resigned. Mr. Sharma is punctual and hates delay and procrastination. Our next word is retrospective. 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 Friends, the word retrospective is made of two words, retro and spect. Retro means back and spect means look. So the word retrospective literally means looking back. Let us see the synonyms of retrospective. Backdated, retroactive, ex post facto are some words having the same meaning as retrospective. Friends, the word retrospective is both used as a noun and as an adjective. Retrospective, when used as a noun, it means an exhibition or showing of work done by an artist over many years rather than his or her most recent work. For example, the actress will preside over a retrospective of her films. Friends, an art exhibition is called a retrospective because it looks back at the work the artist has produced over many years. When we use the word retrospective as an adjective, it means relating to or thinking about the past. For example, teachers agreed for a 7.2% pay rise with retrospective effect from 1st January 2021. The last word of today's video is sulk. S-U-L-K, sulk. Sulk is a verb and it means to be silent and refuse to smile or be pleasant to people because you are angry about something that they have done. Some synonyms of the word sulk is grump, mope, pout. Let us understand the meaning of this word more clearly with the help of few sentences. My brother is sulking in his room because I didn't let him have chocolate. If Nidhi doesn't get what she wants, she goes into a sulk just like a child. Okay friends, that's all for today. Bye bye.